In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete watermark on Canva Pro. Before we begin, a quick note on best practices. Only remove marks, logos, or overlays from images you own or have permission to edit. This tutorial is intended for your own content, such as draft watermarks, placeholders, or samples you added yourself. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can work directly on the image inside your layout. This keeps everything in context and lets you see exactly how your changes will look alongside your text, colors, and other elements. Once the design is open, click on the photo you want to clean up. At the top, you'll see the option labeled Edit Photo or Edit Image, depending on your interface. Click that to bring up the editing panel. Inside the editing panel, look for the Magic Studio tab. This is where Canva groups its AI-powered tools. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the options or use the search field to find Magic Eraser. Select Magic Eraser to activate the brush. Now you are ready to remove the watermark. Adjust your brush size so it's just a bit larger than the mark you want to erase. A smaller brush helps you stay precise around edges, while a larger brush speeds up broader areas. Zoom in on the image if you need more control. Then, gently brush over the watermark. As you paint, the AI will analyze the surrounding pixels and intelligently fill in the background to blend the area. Work in short strokes and pause for a second to let the result render. This helps you spot any artifacts or repeated textures before you continue. If the first pass isn't perfect, undo and try again with a slightly different brush size, or make a second, careful pass to refine the fill. On complex backgrounds like detailed patterns or sharp edges, painting a little beyond the watermark can give the AI more context to work with, resulting in a cleaner blend. Take your time around high contrast lines, and don't hesitate to zoom in and out to check the overall look versus the close-up detail. When everything looks natural, you are done. Because you edited directly in your design, your updated image stays in place with the rest of your layout. Remember, results can vary depending on the complexity of the background, so a couple of careful passes are normal. With practice, Magic Eraser becomes a fast, reliable way to remove unwanted marks from your own images while preserving a clean, professional finish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.